friends, if you don't subscribe, I will hunt your dreamers from your all soul. Don't worry, you might dressing as. Don't worry about it. Cause you know why? I'm actually dressed as Scream right now. I'm actually dressed as Scream. Yeah, the Minute to Midnight Scream. The devil ones. Well, like and subscribe. Happy Halloween. Yep, happy Halloween. Have a great day. Sweet dreams.